Imagine a simple two-input logic circuit. Normally, it could be an AND gate, an OR gate, or any one of the 16 possible logic functions. Yes, a two-input logic system can generate 2 to the power 4, which means 16 distinct logic operations. But what if a single circuit could perform all these 16 functions? Obviously, we need a selection mechanism, something that chooses which logic function the circuit should execute at any moment. These selection lines decide how the inputs behave and what logic operation is applied. Now here's the interesting part. A single AND gate needs at least 2 BJTs. A NAND gate also needs at least 2 BJTs. But this circuit, which performs all 16 logic functions just by switching the selection lines, uses only 3 BJTs in total. So sit back and enjoy the simulation of all 16 logic functions using this design.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go. Ooh.